Hello, quick introduction to the video. My name is Cameron. I'm a graduate apprentice software engineer, currently studying at Glasgow University, and I'm using this video as a way to sort of rubber ducky debug a LeetCode problem, just attempt to solve it, talk through my thought process, and hopefully it's useful to someone watching this. So the problem that I'm going to be attempting today is number 389, find the difference. So I'm going to read through the spec here. You're given two strings, s and t. T is generated by randomly shuffling s, and then add in one more letter to it. Return the letter that was added to T. So S has A, B, C, D. T has A, B, C, D, E. So E is the letter that was added. So the constraints: the length of S is between 0 and 1000. The length of T is equal to the length of S, or is the length of S plus 1. And both strings contain lowercase English letters. So I'm going to swap over to my notes here. Write down any ideas. So, off the top of my head, we need to iterate through T. Check if S is in T. If it is, return, or check if check if character is S character is in S. If it is, return the character. If it is, that's all we need to do. No. If it is not, there we go. That's what we're going to do. Let's copy paste this in here, comment it out. Right, so we're going to say iterate through T. So for character in T, if character in S, or character not in S, return character. Let's try that. Accepted. Let's hit submit. And wrong answer. Okay. Didn't think about that. How are we going to get about this? We can... What can we do here? Let's try a different idea. We convert them both to lists, convert both strings to lists. Check if iterate through S RT list. Check if character is in S list. If it is not, return the character. Otherwise, what we're gonna do? Otherwise, pop character from S list. Cool. Let's try this. So we're going to do s underscore list is equal to this. t underscore list is equal to this. And then we're going to say for character in t underscore list, if character not in s underscore list, going to return the character, otherwise we're going to do s underscore list dot pop, alright, stop remove, sorry, and then we're going to reference character. So let's try this, and hopefully this test case should pass. Yep, let's hit submit and hope for the best. Perfect. It's very slow, but it works. So thank you very much for watching the video. Hope it was useful to you in some way, shape or form. If it was, please leave a comment, or if you had some other solution that was a bit more efficient or simple or just different, again, please leave a comment. Love discussing these problems and their solutions. So thank you once again for watching the video, and I hope you have a great day.